Arguments heard in a wrongful death lawsuit connected to a toddler authorities say died after he was left in a hot car for hours. Thanks for joining us at 4. I'm Guy Rawlins.
And I'm Brittany Decker. We've told you about the death of 3-year-old KJ Starks before. He died this summer. Authorities say that he was left in a hot car for hours while in the care of a contracted DHR employee.
That woman, Keila Stanford, faces a criminal charge of leaving the child unattended in a vehicle. Stanford has also been named in a wrongful death lawsuit. 9 defendants are listed in that suit. Along with Stanford, other defendants include DHR workers and Covenant Services. Stanford was contracted by DHR through Covenant.
Our WVTM 13 Zoe Blair was inside of the courtroom today as the judge took up motions to dismiss the civil suit against some of the defendants. She's joining us live here in Birmingham. Zoe, what did you learn today?
Well, Guy, Brittany, there were several motions to dismiss for several different reasons. The defense says that some of the people named in this lawsuit actually had nothing to do with KJ's case, and they think that they should not face any legal action. But Judge Ballard disagreed and denied dismissing those motions. Another big issue from the defense, they say they don't understand why their clients are named in this suit, especially if they wouldn't have played any role in KJ's DHR case. They want to know what is the act or omission their client is accused of doing that makes them responsible in this case. The plaintiffs say they can't exactly outline that yet because the defense has not provided any employment records or contracts for any of the people named in this suit, including Keila Stanford, the woman accused of leaving 3-year-old KJ in the hot car. Attorney Michael Petway with the plaintiffs tells me this case is about accountability.
What we're trying to do is find out what happened, and we from what limited information we have, we garnered some information on some of the people, and we just got to start talking to them to see we know what happened is horrific, but we want to find out why.
Now, I tried to speak with some of the attorneys for the defense as they were leaving the courtroom today, but they all declined to comment. The Judge Ballard also set a court date, a trial date for this trial for next year. I'll tell you exactly when that is, coming up at 5 o'clock, and I'll also tell you how Keila Stanford's criminal case may affect this trial. We're now live in Birmingham. Zoe Blair, WVTM 13.